Good morning, welcome back to the channel. This is day 2 of painting and finishing up and so on. Everybody's still sleeping. Everybody kind of gets up. I'm kind of glad like all this stuff is out here in a sense because a lot of it I'm going to be throwing in the garbage. Before I used to be holding on to stuff for dear life. Now, you gotta go. So they finished, not fully. So they finished painting the hallway. So he hasn't done my room yet. And now it still looks crazy. So they're gonna paint all of this, not this part, but all of this, and yeah, all of that. That's their stuff right here because they will be back tomorrow. And yeah, so as y'all can see, I'm just ready to put stuff up and also throw stuff out. This is the opportunity to get rid of a lot of stuff.
The next day.
So guys, they are finished painting this right here. Like he did this last and that's why it's still showing up my name. But for some reason, I don't know, he did go over it quite a few times and it's like, I don't know, it's not covering, it's the weirdest thing. But you know what? Sade in a heart, maybe it's supposed to be there. But everything else is good to go. You see, we have all the stuff on the table. I told you guys I was keeping this. Keeping the wallpaper, all of that. I did finish painting. We're gonna go over this and clean this up. I love my yellow and white wall. That's why I don't want to get rid of it. But everything else is clean. Everything is white. Yeah. The one thing about, like, it's nice when your home or your apartment is getting painted over. But it is like a headache and a half when it's time to clean up. And honestly, like, I have already thrown out a lot of stuff. But I'm definitely throwing out some stuff as I clean. And even just looking at, like, all of my daughter's books. Like, any books that's like from pre-K and stuff like that, I'm gonna put in a box and I'll set it outside for some people to have. And the books that the level of which she's currently on, I'll just keep those books. And what else? Just stuff that I know I'm not gonna use, honestly. Just getting rid of that stuff. And yeah, less is more. My room is so empty right now, and I love it like that. It's like I don't want nothing extra in there. If it's not a nice, beautiful, comfy couch that I can sit on and relax, kick up my feet and relax, I don't want nothing else in there. I did always want a vanity. I kind of still do, but I don't want to do the most in my space. Because I want space to walk around. So, but I definitely want the aesthetics to be everything earth tone colors. The brightest thing in my room is that wall. So I definitely want everything to be in the nude family, the white family, the tan family, the brown family.
Which is us.
And if I do change because I did think about changing the yellow to a brown, like a nice, not a chocolate brown, but like a milk chocolate brown. Not a dark chocolate, like a milk chocolate brown. And just keeping the rest of the stripes white, the other stripes white. So white and milk chocolate brown. I don't know how my husband's gonna feel about it. I just feel like it would go with the aesthetics and what I'm looking for to do in my room. And yeah, so, but the first room we're going to do over and just simplify and make it beautiful is Royalty's room. So she no longer has the princess bed that my dad bought her when she was very, very little, and she loved it, right? So now she wants bunk beds, and you know, she wants her little company to come over and sometimes spend a night. My nieces to, you know, come spend a night. She also has a good friend. What's her name? Jasmine, right? Jasmine. So, you know, she has her little space to entertain her company. And everybody can sleep in their own space comfortable. So, the only thing she already has a twin bed. So, we're going to do the bunk beds that are twin over full. So, the only thing we got to do is get a full-size mattress and get the bunk beds. And I'm going to put like a really nice rug in there. I was even thinking of, I was going to get her a new dresser. But the dresser she has, it's really in good condition. It's still good. The only thing about it is that she has like drawn on it in certain spots. So I was thinking about using wallpaper and just like, you know, sticking it on the dresser and maybe doing that, which will cover the writing on it, because I did see that on TikTok, which makes sense. But yeah, if I don't have to get rid of it, I don't want to get rid of it. So, and I'm not really trying to do the most. Yeah, no, I'm not trying to spend a lot of money. I'm trying to do everything on a budget as possible. And yeah, so when I'm going to let you guys know when I start picking up stuff. I'm going to start picking up stuff very soon. I'm still looking at which bunk beds to get, and I prefer metal because it's longer lasting rather than the wood. I just have people that I know who said the wood kind of wear and tear, you know. It's a lot of times you could tell children, don't bounce on the bed like that. Don't jump on the bed like that. Don't do this, don't do that. And the wood was cracking up and stuff like that. So, but she did have a metal princess bed, and it was really, really nice. And it really lasted long. And I really wish that there was somebody that I could have given it to. But everybody that I know mostly has boys. And yeah, so, and it's a bed for one child. So if you have multiple girls, and I know you, the girls would be fighting over the bed. I'm going to stick to metal. And yeah, so I'm looking forward to doing her room.
Mommy! Aren't you gonna still give me a bunk bed?
Yeah.
Can Seven come over?
Yep.
Jasmine?
Yep. We also do have to get her AC in her room. I definitely want to get a new couch, a 2-seater. I don't want no big couch unless I'm in a house receiving that. Unless when I'm in my house and I have this huge space to put a couch, then yeah, I want a big couch. But now it's like, I don't know, I really am striving to be this minimalist. Like, less is really more. I just don't want everything big anymore, and everything so, the things that matter to me to be big. My television, I need a big screen TV. I love a big screen TV, so that's always going to be big. I don't even need a big dining table. I have an 8-seater dining table. Technically, that live in this house, so we are a family of 4 that live in this house. Why do we have a 8-seater? Why? But when my other kids come over, we are a family of 6. And guess what? They ass don't be at the table anyway. They be on the couch eating. I just want a smaller table, 4-seater. I want a taller TV stand. My TV stand is short. I want a taller TV stand, but not wide. I want it to come in. I don't want it to be as wide. This one is really wide. So I just want it to be taller. And yeah, that's it. I don't like when people have like all this space in their house and they literally try to fill every single corner. Like, free up the space. Oh! Yeah. So, but I'm about to start, I don't know. I'm about to start doing something.